so today we're going to be fixing a huge problem on the BRZ. So the taillights don't work, the AC doesn't work, the radio doesn't work, all the lights on the dash are on, windows don't go down, heated seats don't work, just a whole bunch of problems. And of course all those things are electrical. But after doing some research, we found that it was a fuse that is connected to the battery. So what I'm going to do is show you guys exactly what we did to fix it. So basically none of the electronics are working on it. So we turn on the taillights. Taillights work, the hazards work, but the brake lights don't work, which is weird. Our steering's not working, head unit, AC, heated seats, windows, nothing really. So we're gonna try to fix that right now. Pretty much the whole car isn't working. I'm gonna show you guys what's going on first, because if you're having this problem, then probably you don't know how to fix it like we did, because we had to do a lot of research. We couldn't find any videos on it, so that's what this is for. So yeah, let's just show you guys what's going on. So this is what happens when we turn the car on. So you see all the warning lights are on, traction control, ABS, check engine, power steering, and over here the radio isn't turning on, AC isn't working, heated seats don't work, it will turn orange when you turn it on, the power windows aren't working, and that's all I know for now. There's probably a whole bunch of other stuff that's not working right now either. You see the power steering's not working. So we're gonna go take a look. We believe it's the slow blow fuse. We think it got blown.
That's what she said.
So we're gonna go check that out. Show you what that looks like right now. So it's gonna be over here. It's not gonna be in the fuse box exactly. It's gonna be right here on this terminal right here. So this is the battery. This is the positive. You see how it's all messed up? It's blown. It's blown.
Okay.
All right. So this actually controls everything that's wrong, that's not turning on. That's basically what it controls, so we think that has to be it. Right now we're just gonna be removing the battery from the terminal. Screw. Wrench? Get more leeway on it. Oh, we're too big out here. Too big ourselves. As you can see, it's pretty messed up. This is the alt side, and this is the main side. So this was the side that was messed up. So as you can see, these two things, I mean, this thing is perfectly parallel, as opposed to this one, which is just all messed up. Moment of truth right now. I'm nervous. I'm nervous. Please work. Please. Oh, lights are off, ladies and gentlemen. Lights are off. Windows are going down. Yes! Turn the brakes on, turn the brakes on. Yes! Brakes work. Let's fucking go! Oh my gosh. Just to let you know, we bought this at a Subaru dealership. So it was like $15. It was really quick, and it solved a huge problem. And it's better than taking it to the dealership and paying like $100-something for it. So this is the part number. Alright guys, so as you can see, we fixed it. It's all working good. So So if you guys had this problem and if we helped you, make sure you like this video and leave a comment if you have any questions or just to thank us for helping you out. We honestly looked for this problem everywhere, like in the forums and everything. We have to figure it out by ourselves, so I'm trying to make you guys' lives easier because it's really a simple thing to do. We bought this part for $15 at a Subaru dealership, so instead of like having to order it online, we went to the dealership, got it done in like an hour. We just hit 500 subscribers, guys, so I'm going to be doing a 500 subscriber giveaway for the ductless spoiler. So that's going to be the next video. I'm going to be announcing the winner, so congratulations to whoever that is. Yeah, so if you guys haven't signed up, there's still a little bit of time left. I'm not going to make the video for another, probably going to do it in like 2 days. So that's it.